Go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. Dini de brave, and this be what Matacam. You know, say we dey country inside that we get security personnel where then they what? Then they protect life and properties of our citizens. We go fit talk that the fire service, the police service, all the services you know. Where this matter where it come now, it be the police service, the matter where what it come. It check like now some robbery be they go on for like to be a question. Where you tell like 2 policemen they on like they post where now they know say robbery they go on. Where then do the mama say then they go like go catch the robbers, you know, where then they do the robbery, you know. Then go no. Sana no the my guns no where then they hold no brother man. The my guns no know they what work. The guns need just dead them and neck deck okay. Nothing better. It'll be sometimes go spy crana it be 1 bullet. Sometimes bullets no dey inside. Then they take scare robbers and things. Where the robbers no, they rob the bank, brother man. You know be small robbery where they rob the bank. They rob the bank no where the amount you know there you know come out. But you know say bank there. If you go bank and casa there, you know say money there wow. Where robbers target say they go steal their brother. You know be small money where the robbers know what go take for the bank there. Where right now no. Then they happy be say now the police people no say robbers dey. So now the robbers need to know say police people dey outside. So now the robbers know them a gun way then they hold no. It be what? It be 2 months gun. Hey, then they fire the gun. Where the police people to do the mama say them go fire. But now them are only there. It turn what? It turn yawa. This be the matter where it come. Where I talk say me flambo. I for put my mouth for inside. Make I what? Make I can't talk you people. You know say police service na kasa government. Police service no. It be something where it dey. It be institution where it dey. Where we the citizens no, we dey pay them say make them what? Spy on our properties. Then for spy on our what? On our properties. Then also for maintain law and order for the country inside. You go if you go, policeman go fit dey post. You go not the policeman in the bed. It be human, fine. But you know be say like if you duty where you did way for bed, then you will not say you like you dey work or something. Some police people today, you know them are something where you do and they take you know. Then they check say if you this way or that or this way your car no forget before your car no go fit dey road top. Immediately you put something for the something inside now, you take give them now, they go make your car no do what? They go make the car no go. This all day more where police people them are what? Them are institution. You know, plenty people they talk bad about what? About that institution where they Ghana here. Imagine police where we they pay them. Where police there, you forget what? You forget gun where you do are you put to maintain the gun, maintenance and thing for oil the gun inside. If I say bullet and things there, because plenty bad people there the system inside though, brother man. Plenty bad people, plenty bank where they the system inside no for spy say. If policeman come poster, then get security people. Where they do are the police people to the camp patrol there, then they there small. Then come on, they for see say the policeman where you can't they there get him off no way they protect them no. They for see say the bullet and things need there. But them you know say police people there, if you them at work. So say bullet and things go there gun inside, then you know if you can't talk. Right now see the thing where it happen. Right now see what it happen. Brother, you bust my brain. Me nah think I don't fit think what? How pan this modern Ghana where we did where money be hard for the system inside. Where you make people where they not suffer, then just take some few minutes be take people them are what? People them are sweat. Go market then go see one market women where them dey there. Go spy the work then they do. See this hot sun. The sun where they scotch, but then they force them go get money. Then get money, go spy people where then they hustle for street talk. Them are all money where they go put for them. Just common say they go maintain gun, common say they go spy say this be accurate and thing. If they plenty work inside. If they plenty work inside, if something they go tema, no but go talk unless the thing is spoil, unless you welcome that something in body before they go talk. But if someone talk say this way that something they happen now, then go fit solve the issue. But they no go spy. Everybody spy. You go see another thing to do what? Spoil. so that dem go see say the money wey dem go fit take do something or dem go fit take put dem as salary top no, na dem take go do that thing wey that dem talk earlier and carry go fit solve am. E dey plenty work inside, plenty institution dey. E no be police people pay, e dey everywhere. But if the police matter wey you do what, e come. If be the matter wey e come wey we dey what, we dey talk. So Ghana police, dem for look sharp, wow. Dem for look sharp. Right now, the bribery and something. I hear say, now you know go here. You dey go on. No. If the people, if the ones where them dey with them are yes, they hard, you know. When you do it, then they take the ones that thing. When you be citizen, if you do what is good, you know say you buy refa. If you do lances, some bro they drive car since like something so many years. You no get lances. You no get lances, so you know be say you no go fit go do. You get money where you go do. But sake of you don't know what it wrong some people. You don't know what they wrong some people. Then go there, then they pass another police and they give them the money, you know. Well, we now the citizens to go can't talk say the police people where then they watch, then they take bribe. But it be we now on a lifestyle where we they live, where we stand they put debt for them and what them a name inside. It be yawa. Me, I don't know what I will do I will do again. You go feel leave your comments. Your comment be very, very necessary. This be the matter. It be serious pan. So you leave your comment for insider. Then everything be where you they want talk. No, then you talk some. You type them, talk for them. You that be your place to talk for them. Because me then you will what we do what we they learn. If you need to, you go on a social media platform too. You go feel like on a video share. Then follow us on all social media platform. The name need what too much GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what work. Pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come when you hear Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye I'm more fire.
Yo. Too Much GH nie. Ghana for ahwefo etiefo. Onipa bia won subscribe e wo Too Much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho ena de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo Too Much GH.